Hello, English 1 students. Welcome to your academic word of the day. And for today, we have process. The word of the day is process. Let's go over the syllables. We got pra and ses. We got two syllables. Process. Process. Process in Spanish, or translated into Spanish, is proceso. The part of speech that we're using this word for our academic word of the day is noun, as a noun. Let's look at the first definition. Process, in a first definition, means a series of things that are done in order to achieve a particular result. Let's look at an example. The essay writing process has many important steps. So in this case, what is the particular result that we want to obtain? Well, we want to write an essay. How do you go about in writing an essay? How can you achieve this essay? How can you write this essay? Well, there is a process that you must follow. For example, you start with a pre-write. You can write down all your ideas. Then you compose. You start creating paragraphs and sentences. Then you evaluate. You sit back and you see if what you wrote goes with what you want to write, with the topic sentence, with the thesis statement, if everything makes sense. Then you revise. And you go back again and you check that all your points are logic and they make sense and they follow each other, all your main ideas. Then you edit. You check the grammar. You check spelling, punctuation, make sure that your essay has an indentation, all of those things. You check again, you edit, you correct it. Finally, once this is done, you publish it. Publish just means it's revised, it's evaluated, it's edited, it's ready to put out for people to read. These are the steps, or this is the process for you to write a well-constructed essay. Definition number 2. Process is a series of things that happen, especially once they result in natural changes. Let's look at our example. Creatures have evolved through a process of natural selection. In this sentence, creatures means living things, right? It is believed that through evolution, living things have become better, have had a process of evolving, of becoming better through what is called natural selection. Those species that are stronger have a better chance to survive out in nature, and they have a better chance to procreate for future generations. This is a process of evolving. We have some familiar words for process. We have process, used also as a verb. Processed as an adjective. Processing, as also as an adjective. Processed, adjective, processing as an adjective. These are a little bit difficult to pronounce. Processed and processing. Processed, processing, correct. We got some synonyms, and we got procedure, operations. So other words that you can use instead of process is procedure or operation. Antonym words, we got decline, decrease, inactivity. Decline, decrease, inactivity. Alright, class, this has been your word of the day. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and create your flashcard, make your own sentence, put your visual, and happy studies.